guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing some Animal Jam. Now I've just recently turned one of my small house dens into a art gallery. So today's video is kind of going to just be about my art and how art has evolved in Animal Jam. Now guys, I'm just going to go home to my den to show you this. So I have all this this is actually a portal to another YouTuber's den that loves making masterpieces. This is her highest liked masterpiece, the Great American Solar Eclipse. A lot of people like this. No, my highest liked masterpiece is actually 27 likes. It doesn't really even count as my masterpiece. I can't really give myself the credit because, yeah, it's not even my masterpiece. It's somebody, I traded a Warren for that masterpiece. So, yeah.
Wait, did I see? Wait, so some person
Guys, this is Sharbar in the house. She is also another part of the EOS family, and she loves Animal Jam. She's the person who actually introduced me to it.
So, didn't someone tell you that your art was bad?
Yeah. Somebody told me that my art was terrible, so I don't really care about that. It doesn't really matter to me, because I was just for a second just going to say I meant to do that. Charlotte, turn that off. My sister keeps watching this Richard III crap, and I really don't want to get copyright, and she keeps turning it on while I'm making videos, and it's just annoying. Now guys, I will be making a lot more videos sooner. I'm sure it's just we've kept having glitches with Screencast-O-Matic and all that crap. So yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, this is my most liked masterpiece. It's not even my masterpiece. This is Snee77. So yeah, this isn't even my masterpiece. I'm giving the credit to Snee77. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name right, but huge shout out to you, even if you're not a YouTuber. I don't care. We're giving a shout out to you. And then this is probably one of my favorite masterpieces. Just honestly, it's one of my favorite masterpieces. I love it. This is also one of my favorite masterpieces. It only has 1 like. But a lot of these masterpieces I've just made recently, like either a couple days ago, a couple months ago, or just like yesterday or today. This one I made today, this has not currently been, hasn't been reviewed yet, so we're gonna see how that turns out. This is my crappiest masterpiece. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna get even up to about 10 likes, honestly. Unless a bunch of weirdos has like a weirdo gang and they like all my crap masterpieces. Anyway, yeah. Probably my favorites are these volcano masterpieces, I'd say. I think I really did good on these. So yeah, Phantom Territory sign right there. I don't even know if what that stands for in real life. I just decided PT stands for Phantom Territory. So yeah, and I have these 2 art easels right here. So now guys, we are actually going to go through my friend's art, Vito Burrito. Yeah, that's her YouTube channel, I think. But her name on Animal Jam is FrostGirl30. Now, so this is all her art. Her most liked art piece is the Great American Solar Eclipse, which is 77 likes. I think I already showed this to you a couple minutes ago, but who really cares? So yeah, a lot of people end up liking this. So yeah, I think the next solar eclipse I'm gonna try to do something like that. If we have another solar eclipse, that's probably gonna be like when I'm 27 years old, but I might still be playing Animal Jam, who knows. This is another really liked masterpiece, about 15 likes. I don't really know what it is, but it looks cool. So, here's, another liked masterpiece, about 32 likes, that's pretty nice. 17 likes, this is one of her Christmas masterpieces. She actually has quite a few Christmas masterpieces Like this one, another 15 like one. I don't know why nobody liked this Christmas masterpiece. Oh, and the unicorn, I think a lot of people really like. This is a pixel art one. I noticed a lot of people actually liked pixel art. That's kind of surprising. So yeah. Yeah, this is her whole entire den. Like I said, she has a lot of masterpieces that isn't even hers. At least I think I said that. Yeah, this is the guy who created this one. He's not on right now. I might go to his den or something to see if he has a bunch of masterpieces. This is another one that my friend did not create. So yeah. I think this is actually going to be just like about a 10 to 12 minute long video because, well, at least 12-minute long, honestly. So yeah, now I'm gonna head back to my den. Honestly, I'm gonna see if a bunch of people even want to come over to my den. So I'm gonna go just straight over here. Please come to my den art gallery. And return. Oh. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo this whole entire word. I hate when this happens. Okay. There we go. Okay, we got somebody at my den. Did this guy do paintings? No, he does not. Or she. I think he's like liking my masterpieces or something. Surprisingly, this one is actually one of my favorites. I had some help with my friend Vito Burrito on this one. We spent a lot of time together because she literally lives, like just a couple houses away from me. I know that's kind of weird because I'm a boy, she's a girl, and don't worry, she's way older than me. I'm not gonna say the exact age because, yeah, I don't want anybody to get kidnapped, but yeah, I'm just not gonna say anything else personal. So yeah, guys, it's almost about 12 minutes, so we're gonna have to end off this video soon because I do have to have breakfast. So yeah. Wait, is that a picture of your dog? Yes, my friend dog. Yes, my friend's dog. Okay, so yeah. Honestly, I think it's cool that people actually like to come to my den. Wait, did I get yes, I got an extra like. Okay, that's nice. Honestly, I'm glad people are actually liking my masterpieces, just honestly. Yeah, people are finally liking my masterpieces and actually wanting to like them. Now, I see this guy's playing a little bit of a game here. So yeah. Honestly, I'm really excited to see if I actually can get at least 10 people into my den, because then I'll actually get a decent amount of likes quick. Also, guys, I don't know if we're going to be filming during the sleepover I have with my friend. I don't even know if you know about the sleepover I'm having with my friend Vito Burrito. I have this Phantom game too. Cool. Okay. Now, yeah, so we might be filming that, we might not. I don't think, we probably won't be filming that, so yeah, but we might be filming that. We might be filming certain parts of it. Anyway, so, yeah. Well, enjoy your day. Thanks for inviting me. Okay, yeah, she was pretty nice. He or she was pretty nice. Now, I'm actually just gonna go over to Crystal Sands again and repeat what I said last time. Come to my den art gallery. 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 Okay, guys, we actually might have a little bit longer than the time I said we were going to have. About 15 minutes at least. So, why is nobody coming to my den? Please, somebody come to my den. Please. Please. Please! Okay, this person loves stuffed animals, just saying. Can't believe nobody's coming to my den. Please, somebody come to my den. Please, please, please. Wow. Nobody, literally nobody is coming to my den right now. Well, I'm gonna have to deal with this later. Guys, as always, I love my fans. I hope you have a fantastic day. I probably will be doing another video on this today, just saying, but till next time, bye from Alex COS. Just peace out, boys.